Look, one of the best tax advantages and wealth building tools available to you as a real estate investor is the 1031 tax deferred exchange. Hey, look, your tax preparer can help you with the specifics of your particular situation. But look, in general terms, you can sell your investment property, which it appears 2021 is going to be the year to do that. And then you can invest those profits into another property while deferring capital gains taxes that you might owe. A couple things you may not know about this type of strategy. Look, on your death, your heirs will get a step up in value basis to the current market value, regardless of what you paid for the thing 20 years ago, which means they can immediately sell the property without incurring any capital gains taxes or depreciation recapture tax liabilities. Most people think if you sell a house that is a rental, then you must buy another house. Not true. There's actually quite a list of properties that are viewed as like kind. You can sell your residential rental home and then invest in multifamily or apartment buildings. You can invest in commercial office buildings, retail shopping centers, industrial warehouses, vacant land, farmland, believe it or not, oil and gas interests, mineral rights, water rights, and even air rights. Look, even vacation rentals like an Airbnb that has become so popular is also an option. That also means you can sell any of those properties I just mentioned and go back into residential homes or any other like-kind property. So look, naturally, there are some very specific rules involved with doing these types of exchanges, and we've been doing them for years. If you have any questions, by all means, contact me, and we can discuss your situation. See you next time on Destry TV.